National Guard at Portland International Airport. Here comes the sound of freedom. Our F-15 Eagles coming from the 142nd Fighter Wing. Pilots are among our nation's best trained airmen. Their local mission is to provide defense overhead to protect the Pacific Northwest skies 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Oregon Air National Guard has been an integral part of the nation's air defense for more than 70 years. The F-15 Eagle is an all-weather, extremely maneuverable tactical fighter designed to permit the Air Force to gain and maintain air supremacy over the battlefield. These airmen are part of Oregon's hometown Air Force as Air National Guardsmen. They are your neighbors.
Last year they just came in, they flew over.
From the early days of flight to the first step on the moon, man has relied extensively on a small deceleration device known as the parachute. Created initially to save a pilot's life as he jumped from his disabled aircraft. Parachuting has evolved through modern aviation technology to become the extreme sport of the 21st century. Looking out the left door of the aircraft. His head outside in the wind and the cold. Through a series of hand and arm signals, the Jumpmaster is relaying heading corrections to the pilot, maneuvering the aircraft to a precise exit point for the jumpers. Watch closely as you may see the nose of the aircraft move slightly left or right in response to the steering instructions. The aircraft has been slowed to 120 miles per hour, the same speed as a free fall parachutist at terminal velocity.
Oh, there goes 1, 2, 3.
Right down here. Watch it. Really low.
Look how fast it's going.
Jumpers are out, the smoke is on. Jumpers will be flying their bodies, reaching speeds of 120 miles per hour. They will fly their bodies together using their hands, arms, and legs and shoulders as flight controls. Contact has been made. The 14-inch mahogany baton exchange.